How to change your country on SoundCloud. Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can change your country on SoundCloud. So to go about this, first of all, log in into your SoundCloud account. Once you are logged in, on the home page, you'll see your library, your track, the songs you've uploaded, etc. Then move to the right side of the screen where um you can see options like upgrade now for artists, upload, etc. So click on the profile icon that can be displayed there, and by clicking on the profile icon you'd see a drop down menu or displaying options like profile, likes, playlist, stations to follow, tracks, inside, distribute, and then select profile. On your profiles page you'd see different options, all of your tracks. You can see all of your tracks here, all of the things that you've done so far, um, etc. Any of the options for you to upload more tracks is also available. Once you can see all of this, the next step is move to the right side of the screen, just below the header image field. You would see options like your insight, station, share, edit. So click on the edit option, and then you can see the option which says edit to your profile. You can edit your display name, you can edit your profile URL, you can edit your first name, last name, city, and then country. So you can just go ahead to change the country this way. All right, so you can just change it to the desired country that you want to use and scroll down and click save changes. And once you've done that, your country would be changed. As simple as that. So this is basically how you can change your country on SoundCloud. Very easy, little stress, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.